In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate MailerLite with Shopify. This integration is essential if you want to streamline your email marketing efforts and make the most out of your customer data. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive into the steps. First, you'll want to open Shopify and log into your store. This is where all your product management and order processing happens, so make sure you have your credentials ready. Just enter your username and password, and you'll be taken directly to your Shopify dashboard. Once you're in your admin panel, locate the Apps section on the left side of your screen. This is where you can manage all the apps that enhance the functionality of your store. Go ahead and click on Apps. Next, look for the Shopify App Store link at the top of the Apps page. Clicking on this will take you to a vast library of apps, one of which is MailerLite. In the search bar of the Shopify App Store, type in MailerLite Email Automation. This app is an excellent tool for email marketing, and you want to make sure you find it easily. When the search results appear, take a moment to verify that the app is indeed developed by MailerLite. It's crucial to ensure that you're downloading the correct app from a reputable source to avoid any complications down the line. Once you're confident that you've found the MailerLite app, go ahead and click on the Install button. After you click Install, Shopify will typically return you to your admin panel. Depending on your settings, you might see a prompt to install the app again. If that happens, simply click Install once more to move forward with the integration. Now, the next step is to connect your MailerLite account. Find and click on the Connect option. This action will redirect you to a login page for MailerLite. You'll need to log in here, so have your MailerLite credentials at hand. After successfully logging in, you will be prompted to click Authorize. This step is crucial because it gives Shopify permission to access your MailerLite account. Once that's done, you'll move on to selecting the MailerLite subscriber group where your Shopify customers will be added. You have the option to choose whether to sync all customers or just those who have accepted to receive email marketing. Make sure to consider your marketing strategy here. It's often beneficial to sync all customers, but respecting privacy and preferences is equally important. As you continue through the setup process, you might be prompted to enable the MailerLite extension. Go ahead and do that. This extension connects your Shopify and MailerLite accounts seamlessly, allowing customer data to flow smoothly between both platforms. Once you've completed these steps, your Shopify customer data will begin syncing with MailerLite. This may take a moment, so be patient. It's working behind the scenes to prepare all that useful customer data for you. After everything is synced, let's verify that your integration works smoothly. Open MailerLite and navigate to the Subscribers section. Here, take a look at the group you selected earlier. You should see all the appropriate customers listed there, ready for you to target in your email campaigns. With this integration complete, you can now leverage Shopify customer and order data for segmentation and e-commerce automations. This enables you to personalize your marketing strategy, thus boosting engagement and ultimately leading to higher conversion rates. And there you have it. Integrating MailerLite with Shopify is a straightforward process that opens up a world of opportunities for your marketing efforts. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Happy selling, and good luck with your email campaigns.